Hey guys, we are back with top 5 Android apps for the month of September. This time our compilation includes Lite Apps, which means occupying less space in your smartphones, simple and quick to use even on lower versions of Android. We have crafted some Android apps. Go ahead and check out our playlist for best Android apps. I will just embed the link up here in the cards for you guys to access it quickly. Now before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. Let's begin this one. It happens with most of us when a song is stuck in our mind, but we actually don't know the name of the artist or the song. Now, identifying a song is at your fingertips. Shazam. This app is super quick to discover a piece of music you want to identify with utilizing very little space on your phone, which is under 1 MB. Get to the discovered track within seconds and add it to your Apple Music or Spotify playlist, or go ahead and check it out on YouTube. This app is quick, simple, and helps to identify millions of music and share them with your friends. I always ran away from those chemical equations in chemistry during my college days. But you don't have to avoid chemistry anymore. This app is handy for students taking chemistry classes. Researchers and scientists literally can use this app and make those tough chemical calculations easier and focus more on study and research. Let's dive in and check it out how. Speaking about the RAD feature, Solution Calculator is a useful tool that allows you to calculate how to measure a certain volume of solution at a certain concentration. It helps you calculate the molecular weight of commonly used chemicals in the lab. Chemistry is half done without the periodic table. This app has got this incorporated with detailed information about each of the 118 elements. Get all your information spinning in your head, ranging from to-dos, tasks, understanding projects, reminders, and much more into a beautiful and simple pictorial form using this app. This app helps you to organize your thoughts and generate new ideas. I like the app as it's easy to start pasting ideas and then branching it with all the thoughts behind it. Collapse and expand your tree depending on your requirements. Add a note to your branches, change the style sheet, add borders to the branches according to your preference to have a better understanding. Unlimited page size never stops you from mapping your endless ideas. The app is quite spontaneous, including a lot of other tools. Don't forget to check them out and let us know in the comments whether this app actually helped to boost your productivity. Some browsers utilize a lot of RAM, eventually slows down your phone, which may cause a lag while using your phone. We selected a browser that is light in weight and does your job fine. Let's have a look at this. I'm a fan of themes, and this browser comes with some cool inbuilt themes. Just have a look at it. Moreover, don't strain your eyes at night and browse comfortably using the night mode feature. Use the turbo mode to tackle with a slow internet connection and get better search results. Low on data? Don't worry. Use the image block feature and save your data. The smart shopping search feature is really cool, where you can search for a product and get the comparison done straight away from different sites. I kinda like this feature, as now I don't have to hustle visiting different sites, saving a lot of time. Browsing securely with no traces is just a tap away. Replace the old traditional screenshot taking method of web pages with an easily accessible screenshot button. I have already replaced my old browser with this one, as this is pretty light, fast, and yes, the tools are easily accessible, which makes it a must-use browser. The next one is really refreshing game and must say very addictive. You can play this game anytime while you are traveling, getting bored, or stressed out. This game actually needs a lot of focus to get your aircraft land on time. Oh wait, you might be thinking which aircraft I'm talking about. Let's find it out. Be an air traffic controller and take control of all your aircraft by directing them to their assigned runways. But here's the catch. You need to land your airplanes without any collision. If you think it's pretty simple, then it's not. As you move ahead, the frequency of the airplanes to land keeps on progressing. There are some different maps to select from. Play this game right away and let me know in the comment section if you can beat my highest score of 20. Also, don't forget to check out the unique puzzle game mode, which is more difficult than this mode. Let us know in the comments which were your favorites. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platform for more rad content. This is Ayush signing off. Until the next video, stay rad.